Welcome to the Thung rowing boat trip area. When you come here to take the rowing boat trip, you can see the lotus garden and water lily flower. Lotus from the May, June and July. Water lily flower from July, August, September, December, January, February, August and April. From here, it's a less tourist, not crowded. The ticket 70 VND. One boat trip for one person, 2 people, sometimes 3 people. For the whole trip, it will take about 1.5 hours. So on the boat trip, you can see lotus garden or water lily and 2 caves, 1 temple. If you need more information, message us. I would like happy to help. Thank you so much.